my name's Kane Ramsey, and thank you very much for joining me on what I hope you're going to find to be a hugely eye-opening and also quite a thought-provoking journey. Over the next 9 to 10 hours, I guarantee you right now to do my very, very best to be as open and as honest with you as what I physically can be. Because I guess it's important to let you know at this stage that I haven't created this course to try to impress you with my knowledge or just give you a head full of information that you really wouldn't know how to put into practice, but rather what I'm going to be doing over the hours that follow is sharing from many of my own personal experiences. You see, I'm not the confidence guru, I'm not the self-esteem guru, I'm not the most handsome man in the world, I'm an imperfect communicator, I'm Scottish, I've got a Scottish accent, so sometimes I'll even mumble my words. And you might be asking at this stage, so Kane, what are your credentials? What qualifies you to teach us about confidence? And to be honest with you, who you're looking at here, going back around about 15 to 20 years ago, I was one of the world's most unconfident men. So all I'm saying here really is that I've learned a few lessons along the way, and it's these lessons that I want to be completely honest about and share with you in a very practical and actionable way. So this course, we're going to be taking it from two different perspectives. I'll explain a lot more about this in the next video, but it's important that you understand I'm going to be sharing a lot of frameworks and a lot of some of the most prominent models taken from NLP, which is Neuro-Linguistic Programming. This is how it is that we can make minor modifications in our thinking to bring about massive results in the way in which we experience life on a day-to-day basis. And then there's going to be the very practical side of things, where I'm going to be sharing my own stories, real-life examples that I'm hoping you're going to be able to relate to. Now, at this stage, I just want to point you in the direction of the course contents page, which if you double-check every lecture, you're going to find that there is an MP3 audio download, so you can watch this course via video, but if you want to, you can download all the audios, listen to every single lecture and every lesson again on the move, if you can tolerate putting up with my voice. There's also going to be an abundance of resources. By this I mean PDFs, there's going to be a few external links and other really helpful resources that I feel will help you get the most from the course. But that's it, I'm not going to go on for too long here. I just wanted to say hi, welcome you to the course, and in the next video I'm going to share with you in a bit more depth exactly what it is that we're going to be looking through and exactly what it is that we're going to be working towards, just so that we can all get singing off exactly the same song sheet. So thanks once again for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next clip.